Welcome to Mary Muffet's Guild. I volunteer as a science teacher at Mary Muffet's Guild. Today we are here to do a small experiment with ice. How to pick up a ice with a string, or it called it as like ice fishing. Without touching the ice cubes, we are going to pick up with the string. First of all, let us see how ice forms. Ice forms when water freezes. Pure distilled water has a melting point at 0 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, water molecule in an ice cube will melt and then freeze again at constant rate, which keeps the ice cube in a stable solid state. Let us start the experiment. Ingredients needed for experiment is glass of water, half you have to fill with the water, and few ice cubes, and salt and string. Let us start the experiment now. Let us pick the ice cubes and keep it inside the water glass. Then after, what we have to do now, see here clearly you can see ice is floating on the water. Do you know why? Ice has lower density than normal room temperature water. That's why ice always floats on water. Now what we have to do now, you have to place a string inside the glass. Like this you have to place. And after that we have one secret ingredient, right? That is called salt. You have to sprinkle little salt on ice. Little salt on ice. We have to wait for 2 or 3 seconds. Let us see what will happen. See here we are picking the ice with the string, right? Do you know what is the science behind of this experiment? In this experiment, once salt was added to the ice melted a little and then quickly refroze around the string. This causes the ice to stick to the string when it is pulled out of the glass. The same concept was used when you add salt to your driveway. Driveway in the sense like European countries, American countries, they have winters, they have many snowfall, right? That time they will use, during the winter season, they will use salt to melt the ice, causing it melt so you can more easily remove it. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you children. Thank you everyone.